Today so hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am not making gaming. So today I am doing vlog, my first vlog, and I have come with my friends. You can see. So I will not include him. So it is my best friend, and there is another friend of mine, and there is only two friends. He, one best friend, Debatris. I don't know.
ওই তো ওটা হচ্ছে ওর
দাদা আমার জল।
না না ওটা হচ্ছে ও খেয়েছিল ওখানে তোর আগে গাধা কাকে বলছিস মামিকে বল
কাকে কথা বললাম? So he's calling me Gatha. So he is only Gatha. So yeah. So I am making the vlog. It is my first vlog, and it is not a gaming channel. It is not gaming. Today I am not doing gaming. And I am. Huh? Yeah. And it is also. And there is also two aunties. So everybody is there, and I have also one friend. Where is he? He has gone somewhere. So I am. So today I'm. Wait guys. Yeah. So I'm eating this. Yeah. So let's eat. Ooh. It is very tasty. I think it is very tasty because the smell is coming very good.
This is awesome, fully awesome.
Yeah.
And there you go, your friend.
And there's my another friend. Say hi. There's my another friend. Yeah. So it is very good. And the hotel is called JW Marriott. Yeah. It is very good.
যেগুলো তুই খাচ্ছিস সেগুলো বল আয়ুষ।
So I don't know this name.
এটা হচ্ছে মিক্স ভেজিটেবলস তুই যেটা খাচ্ছিস এখন
Oh, okay. There's mixed vegetables. I don't know the names. I don't see the names. I only see how it is. It is good or not. Hello. Thank you.
এক্সকিউজ মি এটা খেয়ে নাও ফিনিশ
So
করো
it is
তারপর
Szechuan noodles. So
ফুল স্পাইসি
it is Szechuan noodles. Frozen noodles. It is all the menus. I only spice.
Are you
Since I don't.
your first face cam no
ফোর কাছে ওখানে রাখো তো
No. I've
না
done
ওটা
one to
ইয়ে নিয়েছে আমার ছেলে
you are very good at sniping
No. In not that video. In the Lucky Craft creative mode.
পনিরটা অত ভালো না
we will do guys today একটু মুখটা দেখা আমাকে দেখাতে next time we will do 1v1 in sniping okay
Okay. Will do.
and that will be posted on YouTube I'm not doing it
So I have opened another channel. Let's subscribe this also. Here I will do vlog, and that channel I will do gaming. Subscribe this channel also. Ayush Vlogs. So Ayush Vlogs, subscribe now. So
কি হয়েছে হ্যাঁ
actually I'm making another channel where I will do vlogs, and in another channel I will make gaming. So it is very spicy.
we came to JW married because today is my father's birthday and for the celebration we came here.
Yes, you. Write in the comment section. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bhaskar uncle. You can say uncle, or if you are seeing any old man or old woman, or you can and if you write and if you seeing any child or any woman or any boys like my age, then you can say in the comment section happy birthday
How many
Bhaskar
subscribers
uncle.
do you have now?
21.
When we will get to 50 subscribers, we will do a giveaway.
Yeah,
Surprising giveaway.
giveaway of my friend.
That is secret content.
No, I'm not. It is secret. I will give. Oh, 1 second. I think my friend does tell wrong thing. Hey, how I will do? I don't have anything to give away.
আপনি কল করছেন তিনি বর্তমানে ব্যস্ত আছেন দয়া করে পুনরায় চেষ্টা করুন
Guys, 1 second, guys. 1 second. So I will go to the washroom and then I'll see. Okay. So I've come out of the washroom. There is like a flash. You call it a flash. It is like a flash. I've gone to the washroom like a flash, and I've come from the washroom like a flash. Yeah. Flash. Yeah. So, very good. I'm telling you. If you will come, then you will know how beautiful this place is.
তুমি এখানে বসে বারবার বেরোচ্ছ
There's my another friend also.
ও জানে
He also have a channel.
উঠতে বারবার
Also have a channel. Subscribe, direct right. Okay. His channel. Yeah, I know. I've played also.
তাড়াতাড়ি
তাড়াতাড়ি তো খাচ্ছি। So,
তুমি নুডলসটা বানাও
yeah,
সব
yes.
ভেজ
I will eat Szechuan noodles.
এই কথাটাই সবাই বলে রেস্তোরাঁর নাম নিরামিষ
I don't know, my friend has a Harry Potter sunglass. No, respectable. Properly. See, it's a Harry Potter. Yeah, I'm wearing this and I'll
ডালিয়া
show
আমার
you.
গলা ব্যথা
I'm wearing this and I'll show you. Can I wear it? Yes.
আবার কি
But it's with power, huh? Minus power.
কালকে করে ডালিয়া আমার গলা
It
ব্যথা
is Harry Potter. So if you don't know, there is a film called Harry Potter, and in that Harry Potter wears this
সিজনাল
spectacles.
তো কাকুলি আজকে
Yeah,
সকালবেলা
it's
উঠে দেখলাম গলা
What was it?
ব্যথা
Harry Potter.
Yeah.
See? Let me wear it. Nice.
Yeah. So, and the chef also. See, I will after this food, I will show you the entire dish. I will show you the entire thing.
When
I will do this hotel too. I will show you the hotel too. Yeah.
when I have got the power, I was very excited that what frame should I choose. Then I got it.
Oh, interesting. Yeah. So, fatabat I will eat this, and after I eat this, I will show you what I'm eating. I will show how I'm eating this Szechuan noodles. So, I'm not doing.
and when will you eat it
I'm eating now. So yeah, I finished that. Now it is time to eat my favorite dish. My one of my favorite dish, Szechuan noodles. Yeah, I'm very excited to eat this. Let's eat. Let's see how is it.
কি বলছো হাউমাউ করে
See this? Let's eat. Wow.
এটা যদি কালো হয়ে যায় না কালো
It is good.
ট্যাপ করো
Not so bad.
এবার দেখো যদি কালো হয়ে যায় বাস এইটা এমনি ক্যামেরা পাওয়া যায়
Wow. It's good. Yeah. Oh, it's so much good. Yeah.
Finish it.
Okay. Mama is telling.
ভালো খুব একটা পোষাচ্ছে না আমারও না বাবা আমাকে এনে দিবি বাবা দইবড়া আমাকে এনে দিবি একটা দূর
And you can hear there is very background noise. So I'm sorry, I'm in a hotel. I'm not in my home. If I were in my home, there will be no noise. It is a restaurant, and I'm not a prime minister.
মামা
That I will tell that shut up, that mouth, that they will shut their mouth. So I have to do. You have to ignore it. What I'm doing. Yeah. I will give a tour of this. Let's do it.
কার সাথেও কথা বলছি ভিডিও করতে পাগল যাবো আমাদের
Yeah. You can see. You can see. Yeah. There's many people. I cannot see in the camera also. But in real, I am sure in this hotel there will be coronavirus. There will be coronavirus. I am writing you. There in this hotel there will be coronavirus. Yeah, there will be coronavirus. Because there is so much people and there is so much people like the people's and I'm seeing the people's face and I think the corona is gone. Nothing is there. Corona is gone. Nothing is there. Yeah.
আদি আসো আয়ুষের পাশে বসো কেন আয় বস আমি ওদিকে চলে যাচ্ছি আয় কি করছো ওটা দেখবে আয় এখানে আয় ভালো
Walking. So,
পুরো অ্যারোমেটিক দিয়ে
খাওয়া হয়ে যা একদম লাস্টে কেকটা ফেলে সবাই খেয়ে তারপরে তুমি প্যাক করে নিয়ে চলে যাবে
one second.
তাড়াতাড়ি আরো আছে
So guys, I'm sorry I have taken a very big Szechuan noodles. I've taken so much big noodles that it is not fitting in my mouth and I cannot talk also. Sorry again. And today I'm not telling why I'm here today. My friend here is called Aditya. Yeah, I'm showing you. So he's my friend. So his father's birthday. So today, it is his birthday. So it is his father's birthday. So that's why his father have tell us that we should go to a JW Marriott to celebrate my birthday. So we have also said, okay, we will go in JW Marriott and we will celebrate your happy birthday. So we have
Finish
come
your
here.
food.
So, so again, like my video, subscribe to my channel, share the video. And if you don't do, I will stab you this. I'm joking. Yeah. So,
এটা রাখবে তো তোমার ছেলে
হ্যাঁ
oh my god, so much tricky.
আমার মেয়ে
And if my subscribers are seeing and if any subscribers are here in JW Marriott, then please
তুমি পারবে না নিয়ে আসবো ওটা দাও
then please come to row 18.
এক্সকিউজ মি
It is row. See, row 18. You cannot see it, but it is row 18. If anybody here is in JW Marriott, please come. I will see you. It is 18 row. You can come here. And if you don't find, see my this friend's
টেবিল
face.
নাম্বার 18
Yes, table number 18. If any subscriber is there in JW Marriott, table number 18, come. Okay.
and what will you do then
And please come.
হ্যাঁ বড় বাড়াবাড়ি করছে হাই করে একটা মেরে বসিয়ে দেবো তখন বুঝতে
So
পারবে
I'm opening a channel.
Vlog
Opening a
করছো,
channel.
vlog।
Yeah, I'm doing vlog. Yeah, I'm doing vlog.
বাড়াবাড়ির পর্যায়ে গেছে
And unstoppable, I use subscribe that also in my this channel. Subscribe this also. And in that channel, I will make gaming. In this channel, I will make vlogs. Yeah, vlogs.
ইয়া ব্লগ হুম
And guys,
আমি তো বললাম কাল থেকে শুরু হয়ে যাবে যুদ্ধ
I've eaten very much. See. Mama, move your hand. Yeah, sorry guys. Mama, আমি মেন কপ নিয়ে আসছি। So you can't sit properly. So wait, guys. I have eaten till this. It is so much full and I have eaten this. And you can see this. And you are telling that what is in my neck? What is in my neck? It is Boat Rockers 255. Boat Rockers 255. I have taken the neon green weight. Yeah. So you can check out. I've given the link in the description of this Boat Rockers. You can check out and you can buy also. Like this me. Yeah. So there's so much cards. And see my friend, you always see mobile. You always see mobile. Always see mobile. After this, we will cut. We have told her that there is a birthday, that Bhaskar uncle's birthday, and those who are uncles, those who are seeing the uncles, or age like me, or women, or grandfathers, or grandfathers, or that old men or old women, anybody seeing, then please write in the comment section happy birthday Bhaskar or Bhaskar Da or Bhaskar uncle. I am telling Bhaskar uncle, you can write Bhaskar Da, Bhaskar uncle, you can write anything. If your child had Bhaskar uncle, if you are a child or if you are a man or woman or no, if you are uncle or auntie, then please write Bhaskar Da. And if you are and if you are very old man or old woman, so you can write happy birthday Bhaskar. You can write, okay? I've tell the age and this age you can write, and which age you can write what. So right, okay. So see my friend, we have eaten and he is now eating this.
This is biggest collaboration.
Ew, what is that? Hey, wait. Guys, I want to see you something. See? If you know what is this, then please tell me. You know what is this? It is very disgusting. Ew. See.
अभी टेस्ट करता हूँ.
Ew.
मटन नाम है? ना. मटन कौन सा है देखो? लाल माल. रुको guys, 2 मिनट. बिरयानी
Okay. I am doing now pause. So why you are doing pause? You are telling me because I have to eat my food. So after pausing my food, I will show you the full interior of this thing. Okay. Bye. Not bye, but I am doing the pause. Okay. See you. So guys, I tell you that I will do the tour. I cannot give the minute, but I can give how much it is possible to give the tour of this hotel. They are the staff. Say this, not this, but they do their work in their room. And there is many, it is not for kids, many things not for kids. So 1 second guys, 1 second. আর খাবো না.
ডেজার্ট?
So tell my mother that I will not eat a dessert. I do. See this. So it is a one thing. Here there is a woman who check our hands temperature and then tells, and there's a sanitizer and tells to press that sanitizer and to wash hands. Very good process. I like it. And show you something. Come. See this. It's not real milk, but it will. So, very good process. You will see this board. You have to see this. Okay. How much possible, I will give you the tour of this whole thing. Yeah. The desert. The whole desert. All desert. Yeah. There's chef, so that's why I moved from that place. Start to weird. Yeah, we're not always. Oh. You can see on that. Yeah. There is also many things. Yeah. How many things? We have unlimited things. It is unlimited. You can say. so many pieces. And I want to give that tour also. See from here. The chefs are working very tough. The place is, I love this place. It is so much good. Yeah, really, if you come this place, it is very much beautiful. It is very much beautiful. This place is awesome, guys. Awesome. I will give it a tour of this also. Actually, there is customer service. Many things are there. Many things. If you come, then you will realize how many things are there. It will not end. We have one thing also more. Yeah. Yeah. We have this also. Yeah. We have that place also. We have many places, and I will show you where from where the entrance and the exit is from here. We can exit. We just need chairs. So many chairs. And just many things. Wait, I'll show you one. So, I don't know who is that. I don't know who is that. But let it go. What is my problem? So it is open. So see this. There is many coffees here. So good. This place is not so bad and not so good, but it's medium. No, it is very good. I'm saying like, sorry, it's very good. My God, I'm good. Okay, so we have all given the tour. Oh, yes, we have not given one tour. What's this place? Where the staff leaves, where the staff sits and do their all work. And you can see reception. Actually, it is a hotel, but it has a restaurant also. It is hotel, plus it is a restaurant. Yeah, and sorry again for the background noise. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, this is it for today. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. So Camila, this there will be no voice. So if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. And today it is my first video of my first vlog. Yeah, this is my first vlog, and you can check. Okay, you have to check the Ayush vlog. From there you will find this video, and you subscribe this Ayush vlog, and you subscribe that also. Unstoppable Ayush. Subscribe this both. So bye guys. I love you.